How to add your own watermark using the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called watermark right below the beautify option. Tap on it and select the photo that you would like to add the watermark. After selecting the photo, your screen should look something like this. So first select the type of watermark that you would like to apply, then tap on the tick button right here. You can also customize it by tapping on it and entering your own name or the name of your company, and it is that easy. This is how you can add your own watermark using the Meitu app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share or subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.